how to register Deutsche Bank mobile app. In order to register for the Deutsche mobile application, that is to register for their mobile banking on the mobile app. Through the app itself, we don't have the option to register for mobile banking. So to register for mobile or online banking, go to their website, which is deutsche-bank.de. I'll make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. Then you can just tap on the three lines icon from the top right, then go to online and mobile banking. Now here you can see financial planning, digital mailbox, or whichever online banking that you're trying to make. So you can simply select that, and you can select digital bank, or you can select smart transfer account, or you can select your financial banking process as well, and all of these features over here. And once you're over here, you should be able to contact this over here to be able to enter your information, and then you'll then be able to go ahead and then register for the mobile app. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.